All are fine? Yes, you all must be fine because today is Friday, your favorite day. 2 days holidays, isn't it? आज की क्लास की बाद मस्ती. Okay, so this is the conversation class and today is Friday as I just told you and the date is 23rd October 2020. Now, today is Friday, I know. So what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. But apart of being Saturday, कल एक बहुत अच्छा फेस्टिवल भी है. It's a festival. So you all must be knowing घर पे नवरात्रि पूजा चल रही है. So what festival we have tomorrow and day after tomorrow? So Saturday and Sunday we are having two festivals. So can you tell me which are they? Yes, tomorrow we are having Durga Navami. So tomorrow is Durga Navami and day after tomorrow on Sunday is Dussehra. Yes, your favorite festival Dussehra. So what we do on Dussehra? What we do on that day? We celebrate Dussehra. How we celebrate that? Yes, the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad, Kumbhakarn is burnt. Lot of Ramlilas not going on because of corona situations, because of the pandemic. The Ramlilas are not happening these days, but earlier आपने देखा होगा ना अलग-अलग spots पे रामलीला होती हैं. We go and we see them. Then रावण की जो दशहरे वाले दिन क्या होता है? Effigies burn करते हैं हम लोग. What is effigy? What is effigy? Effigy is पुतला. रावण के पुतले देखते हैं ना जगह पे लगे होते हैं different places पे and lot of crackers we put in them and when we burn it lot of firework happens. कितना beautiful firework होता है. Crackers दिखते हैं sky में हमें night में वो कितना beautiful colorful लगता है, isn't it? So tomorrow is Durga Navami and on Sunday we are looking forward for the festival Dussehra, isn't it? So class, today we are going to do a conversation, repeated conversation on the topic festivals of India. So if you remember, we have already done this conversation, isn't it? But today let us have a quick revision of all this once again. So first I would like to tell you there are two type of festivals. One is religious festivals and the other one is national festival. So as you all know, national festivals which is celebrated by the whole nation, पूरी country celebrate करती है. Yes. So can you name the national festivals we celebrate? We have 26th January. So what we celebrate on 26th January? Republic Day. Yes. So why we celebrate Republic Day? Because our constitution was made on this day. Then we have 15th August. So why we celebrate 15th August? What happened on that day? We attained our freedom. We got our freedom. And the last, we can say the third national festival is 2nd October. Yes. So what happened on that day? It is celebrated as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji, or you can say our Bapu, father of the nation, Gandhi ji. Isn't it? So these three are national festivals. Now talking about religious festivals, there are lot of religious festivals, isn't it? These days we have been studying about different religious festivals. If I start from the January month, we have Lodi, we have Makar Sankranti, then we have Basant Panchami, we have Holi, then we have Baisakhi. And if you will see carefully, if you observe carefully, every month we are having one or the other religious festivals. And these religious festivals are celebrated by one or the other religious communities like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, we have Christians, we have Parsis, we have Jains. So a lot of religions we have in India, and all these religious communities, they have one or the other festivals to celebrate during the whole year. Clear? So we have Mahavir Jayanti, we have Guru Parv, we have Diwali, Dussehra, we have Janmashtami, isn't it? So lot of festivals we have to celebrate. So now let's see one by one about these festivals and how we celebrate them. Okay, so this is what we are going to do with the help of some posters and pictures. So I'll show you one picture at a time and we'll discuss about that particular festival. Okay, bacha? So class, now I am going to tell you about different festivals of India. As I have told you in the beginning, there are two types of festivals that we celebrate in India. One is national festivals, which is celebrated by whole nation, and the other is religious festivals, the festivals which is celebrated by the people of different religion. Now let's see which are the different national and religious festivals. So the first national festival is Republic Day. So we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And you know why we celebrate this festival? Why we celebrate this day? Because on this day our constitution was made. Now, can anyone tell me what is the constitution? So, a very simple example which I want to give is, whenever you come to school, you have to follow some rules, some guidelines. Don't run in the school, walk in a queue. These are the things that you follow. Similarly, constitution is also a set of some rules and guidelines to for all the people of our country. Is that clear? Next is Independence Day. So as the word says, independence. So that means freedom. So on 15th August 1947, our country got freedom. Freedom from the ill Britishers. And all our soldiers, they have fighted them. They have fight from them bravely. And after that, we attain our independence. And to remember that day, every year we celebrate 15th August as Independence Day. Now, next is Gandhi Jayanti. So as you remember, we have just celebrated Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So, now I would like to make you familiar with these three monkeys. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3. So these are the three monkeys of Gandhi जी, जिनको हम हिंदी में बापू के 3 बंदर भी कहते हैं. और आपको पता है ये बंदर हमें क्या सिखाते हैं? They teach us see no evil. यानी कि देखिए उस बंदर ने आंखों पे हाथ रखा है. That says बुरा मत देखो. Hear no evil, बुरा मत सुनो. Speak no evil, बुरा मत बोलो. So these are the 3 principles, or you can say teachings, given by Gandhi ji to the whole nation. One thing more which Gandhi ji wanted us is Swachh Bharat. Can you see this? Swachh Bharat. गांधी जी ने एक सपना देखा जिसमें उन्होंने देखा कि पूरा भारत स्वच्छता, पूरे भारत में हर जगह स्वच्छता है. तो बच्चों, what we have to do? We have to take a vow. We have to promise with each other that we'll try to keep our surroundings, our colonies, streets clean. Is that okay? Now, moving to the religious festivals. So the first festival we have is Holi, a festival of colors. So you all love celebrating Holi, isn't it? We all love putting colors on each other. We love using watercolors, pichkari on this day. But one thing which I would like to say here is avoid playing with water balloons. Festival is very good. Yes, I also love playing Holi, putting colors, but never force anyone to play Holi with you. And second thing is, don't play with balloons, because when you are throwing balloons on others, the people get hurt. उन्हें चोट लग जाती है and they feel bad of it. But festivals, ये तो सिर्फ खुशी का दिन होता है ना. So never hurt anyone on festival day. Okay? Now, next we have is Baisakhi, harvesting festival of India. आपको पता है this Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. You know why? Because on this day people the farmers, what they do? They do farming. वो लोग क्रॉप्स उगाते हैं. नाउ ऑन बैसाखी डे जो हमारी क्रॉप्स होती हैं लाइक वीट, राइस, बाले, वो बिल्कुल रेडी हो जाती हैं कट होने के लिए. एंड दिस इज़ रियली अ बिग प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर ऑल द फार्मर्स व्हेन दे गो टू हार्वेस्ट देयर फेस्टिवल, सॉरी टू हार्वेस्ट देयर क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स रेडी होती हैं, उनको कट करने जाते हैं. एंड दिस फेस्टिवल we celebrate as harvesting festival of India. It is called Baisakhi. It comes in the month of April. Now, Natkhat Kanha Makhan Chor. So what is this? Janmashtami. Yes, you all remember that? So Janmashtami is the day we celebrate as birthday of Lord Krishna. आपको पता है जो भगवान कृष्ण थे उनका जो बर्थ था वो एक केज में हुआ था. एंड ऑन दैट डे, फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग जन्माष्टमी एवरी ईयर एज द रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ बर्थ ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा. ओके, सो दिस कम्स इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट और सेप्टेम्बर. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज रक्षाबंधन. तो ये तो सबको फेवरेट होता है ना. जब सिस्टर अपने ब्रदर के हैंड पे राखी बांधती है, ब्रदर उनको प्रॉमिस करते हैं दैट दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ देयर सिस्टर्स एंड सी दे ऑल्सो गिव गिफ्ट्स टू देयर सिस्टर्स. सी दिस बॉय इज हाइडिंग इट बिहाइंड ना. फिर जब उसकी सिस्टर राखी बांधेगी वो एकदम से उसको गिफ्ट देगा. सो बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना रक्षाबंधन. ऑल द सिस्टर्स दे टाई राखी ऑन द रिस्ट ऑफ देयर ब्रदर्स. नाउ रक्षाबंधन ऑल्सो फॉल्स इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट. ओके, next we have is Eid. Eid Mubarak. So Eid is the festival celebrated by Muslim community. It comes in the month of August again. Next we have, the next festival we have is Dashera. So now can you tell me why we celebrate Dashera? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Dashera is celebrated the day when Lord Ram killed Ravan. अच्छा, राम ने रावण को क्यों मारा था? बिकॉज जो राम जी की वाइफ थी सीता जी, रावण ने उनका अपहरण किया था, उनको किडनैप किया था. सो दिस वॉज अ बैड हैबिट थी, ये इल एक्टिविटी थी. सो इट वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द विक्ट्री ऑफ गुड ओवर एविल. मतलब अच्छाई की जीत हुई थी बुराई पर. विक्ट्री मतलब जीत, अच्छाई की जीत हुई थी किस पे? बुराई पे. नाउ टू सेलिब्रेट दैट डे we celebrate Dashera every year. And you all know Dashera is just coming. Dashera आने वाला है ना? Now, next festival is Diwali, the festival of lights. So we all clean our houses, decorate our houses using different type of lights, crackers, new clothes, lot of sweets and different food to eat, isn't it? So this is the biggest festival we celebrate, and this festival is called Festival of Lights because can you see? We all decorate our house with lights. The crackers that we burn also emits light, isn't it? And on this day we wear new clothes. We do puja of Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji, Lord Ram. And you know, there is a connection between Dashera and Diwali. Diwali falls after 20 days of Dashera. Why? Because जब राम जी ने रावण को किल किया था और फिर वो जिस दिन वापस अयोध्या लौटे थे, दिवाली उस दिन सेलिब्रेट होती है. तो ये 20 डेज में वो वापस लौटे थे अयोध्या. और जिस दिन राम वापस अपनी कंट्री, अपनी अयोध्या लौटे थे, सिंस दैट डे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स, दिवाली. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated by people of Sikh community as the remembrance of birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji is the 10th Guru of Sikh. On this day, people go to Gurudwara, they offer prayers and lot of people, they organize langars for those who are underprivileged and distribute food and prasad to them. Next we have is Christmas. So here comes the Santa and jingle bells. So Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Jesus. जैसे कि जन्माष्टमी होती है कृष्ण भगवान के लिए, गांधी जयंती होती है गांधी जी के लिए. So Christmas is celebrated as birthday of Lord Jesus. And as we know, we decorate Christmas tree, Santa Claus आते हैं, gifts लेकर आते हैं, we sing carols on this day, isn't it? So this is all about festivals. Now I have some questions for you all. That is, if you are able to answer these questions, means that you have seen and you have listened this video carefully. So let's see the questions. Whose birthday is celebrated on 2nd October? Can you tell me? Gandhi ji, yes. When do we celebrate Independence Day? You have to tell me the date. 15th August. Next is, which festival is known as Festival of Colors? So which festival we use colors? Holi. Whose effigies are burnt on Dashera? Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarn. Which festival is celebrated by Muslims? Eid is celebrated by Muslims, yes. Which festival is also known as Harvesting Festival of India? जब सब लोग अपने फार्म्स पे जाके क्रॉप्स कट करते हैं. Yes, बैसाखी, very good. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? We all know that, Diwali. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Can you tell me? Because Lord Jesus was born on this day. Is that clear to all? So class, you enjoyed discussing about different festivals that we enjoy, about how we enjoy, why we enjoy, how we celebrate, why we celebrate them. So this is what all about our India. One thing which I would like to say to you is, see, we have discussed a lot of festivals. कितने सारे festivals के बारे में हमने discuss करा. And you know, all these festivals are celebrated in our country. So just think once, कितनी सारी different communities के लोग इंडिया में रहते हैं. But when it comes for the national festival, जब national festivals की बारी आती है, we all stand like one. है ना, यूनाइट खड़े हो जाते हैं. देन देयर इज नो हिंदू, नो मुस्लिम, नो नथिंग. कोई कम्युनिटी नहीं, कोई रिलीजन नहीं, कुछ नहीं. देन वी हैव ओनली वन कम्युनिटी, वन रिलीजन, दैट इज आई एम एन इंडियन. Isn't it? So what is that one community, one religion? I am an Indian. And with this spirit, we all celebrate our national festivals all together. Isn't it? Yes. इसी को हम कहते हैं यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, यानी कि विविधता में एकता. व्हाट इज यूनिटी? वननेस. एंड डाइवर्सिटी, कितने सारे अलग अलग रिलीजन हैं, बट स्टिल वी ऑल आर वन, वी ऑल आर इंडियन. Isn't it great? Okay, so I hope you have now completely understood about the festivals, how we enjoy on these festivals. And festival is the day when we have to spread happiness. It's not about our own happiness, but it's about how you can give happiness to everyone. See class, Diwali is coming. The very simple and the very beautiful example I would like to give. Diwali is coming, so we all will be lighting diyas, है ना? Beautiful diyas लगाएंगे, अपने घर को decorate करेंगे. So somewhere in your location you will find somebody who might not be celebrating it that happily. So what you can do? Go to them, share your happiness, share things with them. This is how you can spread happiness. Share sweets, share different things that you are using to decorate your house. You can share that with everyone. If you are decorating your house, ask your friend, you can also take something and go and decorate your house. This is called caring, sharing and loving. आप उनका ध्यान रख रहे हो, उनसे चीजें शेयर कर रहे हो, and you are taking care of them, isn't it? So caring, sharing, loving is all about festivals. So whenever you see anyone who is actually looking for a help, go to them and give help. Okay, so this is the real zest of the festival. Ki if I am happy, I have to keep everyone in my surroundings happy. Understood? Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class.